So here, this is the given electromechanical system. So this is the mechanical system, and this one is the electrical system. The combination of electrical as well as mechanical, we call it as electromechanical system. So what are the according to this, here we have a R and L. So for that we have a current as I of t. So whatever the current generated in this particular coil, so that itself we call it as whatever the force we are generating here, that we call it as a back EMF. So that back EMF we are going to denote it as EB. So that back EMF itself acting as a force to the mechanical system. Here we have a mechanical system, that's a combination of mass, spring as well as friction element. We don't have any force directly that is connected to this mechanical system. So we have some electrical coil that is interconnected to the mechanical system. So here, whatever the voltage, whatever the current that is going to be generated here, across this particular coil, that we call it as back EMF. That back EMF is acting as a force to the mechanical system. So now I am going to divide this whole system into two parts. One is with respect to the electrical part. So all of you write on the circuit. So one is with respect to the electrical part. So that we call it as a back EMF across the coil. And here we have a voltage as E of t. We have a R, L as well as I of t. And the other one is the mechanical system. So that mechanical system here, the back EMF is equivalent to force. So for that we have a mass as well as spring, and the frictions are interconnected. So whatever the current generated across this back EMF acting as a force to the back EMF generated acting as a force. So that is the current generated across the back EMF. So force is directly proportional to the current here. So F of t is directly proportional to the current I of t. So for this electrical system, so we can write on the KVL. So E of t is equal to R into I of t plus L into di of t divided by dt plus this back EMF as EB. And then apply the Laplace transform for this, so that it becomes E of S is equal to R into I of S plus L into S into I of S plus EB. And here we can able to simplify this for a current, because force is directly proportional to current, so that we can able to substitute the current equation in the mechanical model. So we can able to take this I of S as a common factor. So R plus Ls into I of S plus the back EMF EB. So if you are going to make it as, so if it is EB of t, once you apply the Laplace, it is EB of S. So once you simplify with respect to the current, I of S is equal to E of S minus EB of S divided by R plus Ls. So this is the current equation. Afterwards, for the mechanical system, we can write on the equation. So we have three elements. That is F of t is equal to mass into t square x of t divided by dt square plus k into x of t plus friction element is d into d by dt of x of t. So as you know that force is directly proportional to current. So to remove the proportionality, we have a proportionality constant. So just take some temporary variable as kb into I of s. So f of s is equal to kb into I of s. So apply the Laplace here. So f of t is equal to the f of s, so that we can able to write that as kb into I of s is equal to, once after the Laplace, m into s square into x of s plus k into x of s plus b into s into x of s. So once we substitute with respect to x of s, so x of s is a common factor. It remains with m into s square plus k plus b is equal to kb into I of s. Afterwards, this can be simplified for x of s because we need a transfer function, that is e of s x of s over e of s. We need a transfer function as x of s over e of s, so that we need to simplify this as with respect to x of s. So x of s is equal to kb into I of s divided by m into s square plus k plus b. So here, this is the equation 1 and label this as equation 2. We need x of s over e of s, so divide the equation 2 by 1, so that is the final transfer function. Equation 2 divided by equation 1, so that x of s over e of s is equal to kb into I of s whole divided by m into s square plus k plus bs so here x of s is and e of s. So this one we can able to e of s as divide 2 divided by 1. So equation 2 divided by the first equation is r plus ls into I of s whole divided by r plus l into I of s plus eb of s. That's it. So this is the final transfer function. We can also simplify this equation so that it will as a final transfer function. So first we need to write down the equation for a mechanical system and then write down the equation for a electrical system. We need a final transfer function as x of s and e of s. So we need to simplify in that manner. Divide that equation 2 divided by 1, so that will be the final transfer function. So we can able to choose I of s as a common factor here, the denominator, and then we can able to cancel these two. So that is the final simplification. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಯ್ತಾ? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಯ್ತಲ್ರ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go to the next one. So that the given two systems, so that the given two systems are analogous to each other, by comparing their transfer function. by comparing the transfer function. So what are these two systems? We have an electrical system as well as a mechanical system. So we need to find out the transfer function of both, and then we need to compare both the transfer function that should be equivalent replacements. Then we can able to conclude that as analogous to each other, or else it is not analogous to each other. So transfer function for electrical system here, we have a V2 as well as V1. That is, output is V2 and the input becomes V1. So the output by input V2 by V1 we need to calculate, and then in the mechanical system we have a displacement. So totally we have two displacements. So x2 by x1 we need to calculate x2 by x1. So we need to simplify in these two manners, and these two should be equal. Then we can able to conclude that as a analogous to each other. If not, then it is not a analogous to each other. So in that manner we need to solve this problem. So what is V1 from the electrical circuit? What's the equation for V1 of t? Input equation is very good. Bhavana? 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 Roll number 118. Roll number 18. Bhavana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the equation for V1 of t?
R I of t
R I of t
plus
plus
1 by C
1 by c
integration of
integration of
I of t
I of t
dt.
dt. What about output equation V2?
V2. 1 by C
Across 1 by c
integration of
I of t dt.
dt.
Yeah. Apply the Laplace for this. What's the Laplace equation? Equivalent Laplace equation. What is V1 of s?
Of yes.
R into
Of yes. RIS.
R into I of s plus
Yes, plus 1 by CS
1 by cs into I of s.
I of yes.
The same way for second one, 1 over cs into I of s. So we need to find out the transfer function. So label these two as equation 1 and 2. So divide the equation 2 divided by 1. So V2 of s divided by V1 of s. That's the transfer function. So take I of s as a common factor here. So in here we have a I of s over cs whole divided by take I of s as a common factor, so that it remains with RCS plus 1 whole divided by CS into I of S. So these two numerator terms cancel each other and these two denominator terms also get cancelled each other. It remains with 1 over RCS plus 1. So this is the first transfer function. The same way we need to find out the second transfer function. So here, how many displacements are there? Nesara, roll number 63. Roll number 63. Nesara.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sandeep. Sandeep, roll number 77.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how many displacements are there here? For this mechanical system, how many displacements we can able to observe? Sandeep, how many displacements? Sandeep,
One, sir.
one. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Sir.
ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಇದನ್ನ? This is the last class for your first module. Module ಮುಗೀತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಸರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ ಊರು?
ಸರ್ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ.
ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಚನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹತ್ರ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಚನಹಳ್ಳಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ? ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ರಮ್ಯಾ, Ramya,
Yes, sir.
how many displacements are there?
2 displacements.
Where is the first one?
Force.
Across force we have a first displacement, and then
K.
so K other end we have a second displacement. So what's the equation for this? How to write down? F of t equals?
F of t is equals to K into
F of t is equal to K into
x1 of t.
x1 of t
x1 of
K
t
is in
minus
K is in between x1 and x2, so x1 of t minus x2 of t. Afterwards, what about second one?
b into
In the LHS part,
k into x1 of t minus x2 of t equals b into
into?
d by dt of x2 of t.
Yeah. So write down the Laplace for these two. So write the
F of
Laplace for these two equations. F of s equals
equals
k
k
into
into
x1 of s minus x2 of s. So here we need to find the transfer function. So with the help of these two equations, we need to find the transfer function in such a way that it should be in terms of x2 by x1. So here we have a x2. So just write down those equations. We will write in the next step. So just make alteration here for the second equation. K into x1 of s is equal to bs into x2 of s, and take that k into x2 to the RHS part, and then simplify this so that x2 of s is a common factor. It remains with bs plus k. So that is equal to k into x1 of s. We need a transfer function as x2 of s divided by x1 of s, that is equal to x2 by x1, so that k divided by bs plus k. And then this k we can able to choose it as a common factor, because here in the first equation there is v2 by v1. So we have a 1 in the numerator, but here we have a k in the numerator. So to make it as 1, so take k as a common factor, it remains with 1 over bs into 1 by k plus 1. So now compare the equation 1 and 2. In the numerator we have a 1. Here also in the numerator we have 1. In the denominator we have a r. So r can be replaced by the friction element as b. Afterwards, here we have a s, and here also we have a s. And the capacitor can be replaced by the spring element as 1 over k. And plus 1, here also we have plus 1. So once we compare these two are analogous to each other because both the equations are same with their respective elements. So write down equation 1 and 2 are equal. Equation 1 and 2 are equal. Concludes these two are analogous to each other. These two are analogous to each other. Yeah, Sandeep. Sandeep. Roll number 77. Roll number 77. Sandeep. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವನು US ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್.
Yes sir.
ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 77 US ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡು, ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡು.
Okay sir.
So this is the end of your first module. So with this I am going to end the class today. So most probably on Friday or Saturday we have a class now at 8:30 I think so. So Saturday At 8:30, we'll conduct the first assignment test for 10 marks. So it consists of the complete one module. You conduct the first test, assignment first test. I will not give you any assignment for you people. So you will conduct the tests for the first assignment as well as for the second assignment as well as the third assignment. I will take the average of those three. So that will be the finalized one. I will not give you any assignment for the whole syllabus. So all of you just you can make an entry in your chat box and then you can do the meeting. And the test will be, it's not an online whatever the question I have given and just to, so it will be a monitoring test. You people will switch on the video of all the students, of all of you people will switch on the video and then I will monitor all of you while conducting the test. So just by giving the questions and you people just send the answers. It's not like that. So you people should switch on the video and show it to myself. So we can do the meeting. Thank you.